Yeah, man. Sincerely speaking, I'm not impressed with the way Abia State people. At least, I only see people online who comes up since this past governors of Abia State came together and are trying to do their best to see if they can remove Alex Oti, fight against him seriously in the coming election. For a people like Abia State people, who used to be a thing of mockery in Nigeria, who used to be a thing of laughter in Nigeria, a thing of shame in Nigeria. When you look at Abia State before Alex Uti came in, the Yorubas and the other regions had reasons to insult the Igbo land more. This man is seriously changing the narratives, changing a lot of things. Now, considering the fact that some of the most corrupted leader Igbos has ever had, likes of Ojis Okalo, and the other Carlo that I don't know, is just a Carlo. If not for that Carlo, I don't care about that person. I don't know his name. I don't know anything he has ever done for even his family. Talk more of Abia State. You see, coming up and trying to do all these things. I expected to see Abia State people being up and doing, speaking up and you know trying to let them know that they don't give a damn about them. Trying to stand behind Alex Uti. I only see people making videos showing the things that Alex Uti is doing. Talking good about him, by seeing people solely, wide and out to fight to make sure that Abia State does not lose this. Imagine Alex Oti in the office for 8 years. Imagine what Abia State is going to turn to. Sometimes you only need one or two good leaders to change everything. See, but sometimes the problem is, at the same time, you also need reasonable citizens. You need citizens that are wise. You need citizens that are reasonable. You need citizens that can stand behind you when they can see that you are doing your best. You need citizens that are ready to go. You need citizens that are not too busy enjoying what you are doing, that they can't stand up to speak up when it's time to testify, not only to do videos for content creating sake. I mean, to stand behind a leader, you know that if you lose, you may never get that kind of leader, and probably before you get that kind of leader, it may be in the next 100 or 50 years before you can get that type of a leader. And that leader needs to be on seat and see his 2 tenures through for that state to grow. Abia State, wake up and do more. You guys can do more. You have been dumb and your mouth is almost tied. You are underperforming.